You step into your beautifully tiled shower after an exhausting workday, expecting relief, and instead you're met with a pathetic trickling spray. It is an exhausting way to end the evening. The culprit is usually the hardware itself. Standard builder-grade plastic fixtures inevitably degrade over time. They develop calcium and mineral blockages that restrict the flow and choke out your home's baseline water pressure. You are left shivering in the corners of the stall, awkwardly ducking and rotating your shoulders to rinse off under a narrow, failing cone of water. Overcoming this structural plumbing flaw does not require tearing into Italian tile or paying hourly rates for a plumber to reroute your pipes. Modern luxury shower heads are engineered specifically to bypass those utility limitations. They twist directly onto your existing shower arm, offering an instant tool-free installation. Achieving a resort-level downpour is a matter of matching the mechanical architecture of these fixtures to your daily routine, reclaiming the bathroom as a functional space for recovery. This quadrant chart plots the trade-off defining luxury shower upgrades, balancing immersive simplicity on the horizontal axis and functional flexibility on the vertical. In the bottom left quadrant, we find compact pressure boosters designed to provide immediate relief for bathrooms with weak baseline utility flow. Models like the Gurin and SparkPod rely on specialized internal manifolds. These chambers physically compress and multiply weak incoming water forces, pushing the water out into a high-velocity spray. These units also utilize high-density silicone nozzles. This material naturally resists calcification, blocking mineral lime accumulation, so the water column remains clear and forceful over years of use. The mechanical compromise of these units is their physical footprint. Because they concentrate the pressure, they produce a narrow, roughly 5-inch spray cone. The water spread isn't wide enough to cover both of your shoulders simultaneously. These compact models offer a high return for renters seeking an immediate fix to a trickling pipe, though they lack the scale required for full architectural immersion. Moving to the far right of the horizontal design matrix, the focus shifts to fixed, large-scale overhead panels built purely for maximum immersion. These units, like the Amazon Basics or the Kohler Awaken, feature a massive physical scale, measuring up to 12 inches across. This 3D wireframe illustrates the difference in coverage. Razor-thin flat grids completely engulf the upper body from shoulder to shoulder, simulating a steady, wall-to-wall downpour. That coverage comes at the cost of functional mobility. Because these panels are rigidly fixed in place, ducking down to rinse out conditioner or spraying down the tiles during cleaning becomes difficult. Selecting a massive single panel means prioritizing a specific modern aesthetic and full-body immersion over the ability to direct the flow. Climbing the vertical axis of the design matrix reveals dual-head hybrid systems engineered for utilitarian washing control. Fixtures like the Delta Hydro Rain and the Moen Isabel link a wide primary drenching face with an independent, lightweight hand wand. This setup allows you to switch between distinct spray profiles. You can isolate a high-volume power drench to quickly rinse out shampoo, then toggle back to a dispersed rainfall. Many modern units rely on magnetic docking stations. The hand wand securely snaps onto the main pipe without needing to align complicated clips or holsters. The compromise on this vertical axis is visual. To gain this mechanical control, you introduce a larger, bulkier footprint to the shower wall. Hybrid models solve the functional deficits of fixed panels, provided the user is willing to trade an ultra-minimalist aesthetic for precision over their hygiene routine. At the top tier of the market are flagship units, like the Aquadance Matte Black Combo and the Delta Rain Can. These systems attempt to cover every quadrant of the design matrix in a single fixture. They achieve this by upgrading the internal construction. By utilizing commercial-grade solid brass internal washers, they eliminate the leaking and splitting associated with cheap plastic multi-head units. The exterior surface engineering matches the internal durability. Resilient patinas, particularly matte black finishes, are scratch-resistant and do not show hard water spots or oxidation. This cross-section schematic highlights the mechanics of hydromassage engines. By injecting air directly into the water channels, they multiply the pressurized flow output while using less total volume than a standard head. The ultimate result is a steam-filled wet room that delivers consistent, high-pressure water tailored to your specific preferences. When you align a fixture's mechanical architecture with your specific routine, you bypass the structural flaws of standard plumbing. This alignment turns the bathroom into a reliable environment for recovery every morning.